toy! Where to now? Right leads to... That's the way! Just slice or tap it to open. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep excellent. Excellent. That was off the rails! Choose a new toy! Follow the beam of light to find your toy. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Look! That boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Great! That was off the rails! Time to pick a new toy. It's super easy to find your new toy. Just look for the beam of light. Good job! Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the track. That's the way! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks! You can help out by dragging them back into... Great! Amazing! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Oh no! It looks like something's blocking the tracks. That's perfect! Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back. That's perfect! We all love your train set. Where to now? Right. Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. Left leads to the haunted cafe. The tunnel is nearby. Right leads to the boulder cliffs. Left leads to the tunnels nearby. Rusted bolts! The tunnels collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Drag the broken pieces back onto their spot on the bridge. Excellent! That was off the rails! Which way do you want to go? Left leads to the Great Waterton Station's coming up. Right leads to the boulder. Left leads to the... We're near the pig farm. Let's go! Oh no! Some pigs have wandered off from the farm. Can you help drag them back into their pen? Great! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! That's the way! Where to now? Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to Tidmouth Sheds. Next stop, Tidmouth Sheds. Left leads to next stop, Cannonball Curve. That's the way. Forward leads to Knapford Station's just ahead. That's the way. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them. Well done! Whoa! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Which way do you want to go? Left leads to... Left leads to... Left leads to the Lava Quarry. This adventure box contains a unique engine. 9 toys for the Steamworks are just ahead. Forward leads to the big bridge. Right, let's go to the big bridge. Right leads to Brendam Docks. Let's go to the big bridge. You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was off the rails! There's no... This is your toy collection. Here you can see all the toys you've... The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Where to now? Right leads to... Right leads to the tunnel, to add even more to your train set. Rusted bolts! The tunnel's collapsed and our friend is stuck. Can you piece it all back together? Great! That was a blast! Full steam ahead! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... We're almost at the town square. Left leads to... The boulder. We're almost at the town square. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them. Good job! That's so cool! That was a blast! Full steam ahead!